Ever wonder why we yawn? One theory is that yawning helps regulate brain temperature. When your brain gets too hot, a yawn brings in cooler air. Another idea is that yawning increases alertness. The deep breath stretches lung tissue and increases heart rate, helping you wake up. And what about contagious yawning? Some scientists believe it's linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, you unconsciously mirror their behavior. So next time you yawn, you'll know there may be more to it than just being tired.